is Eki Wandita, and now I want to introduce you to a typical Gresik food, namely krawu rice. Krawu rice can be found anywhere in Gresik. And now, I'm going to the rice krawu seller in the traditional market. Well, now we've arrived. Let's order! Yay! We've got the food. This krawu rice consists of various kinds of fillings, namely oval. Then there is seared beef, sambal terasi, 2 colors serundeng, and rice. Now let's unboxing. This is the content of a pack of krawu rice. So that the taste of krawu rice can be fully felt, give each component in each spoonful of rice. And how? It's feel great. So many videos from me. See you in the next video.